If the microphone of your Android device does not work during calls, even though you can record voice with other application using the same microphone, then let us see what to do. Now the first thing that you can do is you can swipe the notification center and check if there is any recording application that you have left on or not. So if there is a recording application that is on, then what happens is might be the recording application is using the microphone, that's why you cannot answer with your microphone during the call. The next thing that you can do is again open notification center, enable the airplane mode, wait for few seconds, and then what you do, disable the airplane mode again. If the issue is caused because of the mobile network, then doing this might fix the issue. Now this might happen because there might be other applications that have access to the microphone which is causing the issue. So you have to stop those applications from accessing the microphone. So for that one, you can go to settings, you can go to apps, and you will see many applications in your phone. And suppose if you want to stop Facebook from accessing the microphone, what you can do is you can go to Facebook, you can go to permissions, and you can disable the permission for microphone. Now the problem with this one is there might be hundreds of applications installed in your Android device, and it might take a long time for you to stop those applications to access your microphone. So in that case, what you can do is in this apps window, you can tap on this more option here, and you can select this option reset app preferences, and then you can select this option reset. But the problem with this one is if you have allowed some applications special access, then what happens is those access will be gone, and you have to again allow those application access if you want. So once you have done this one, check if you can use the microphone again or not. Now there are other basic things that you can do. What you can do is where you have the microphone, check in that area if the holes that are present for the microphone, if they are covered with dot or not. So if the holes of the microphone are covered with dot, use the SIM ejector tool or a sharp needle and clean the hole gently. The other thing that you can do is if you are using a case for your Android device, you have to check whether the case is blocking the microphone or not. And sometimes your Android device might have been connected with Bluetooth microphone, and if you forget it, in that case also the microphone of your phone will not work. So you have to check that one also. Just you can swipe the screen down and turn off the Bluetooth. And the other thing that you can do is you can update your Android device software. Sometimes there might be a bug which is causing the issue, so you have to update your software also. And the last thing is, if after updating your software, if the error has started to occur, then in that case what you can do is you can factory reset your Android device. But before that, you have to back up your device so that you will not lose any documents. Hopefully this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.